simplify the following. We've got 4b times 3a. So 4b times 3a, that was equal to 4 times b. If there's no symbol in between the sign, it means multiply, times 3 times a. Right, grouping the numbers together, that gives you 4 times 3, and then writing the a and the b in alphabetical order. So times a times b. So make sure you write letters in alphabetical order, it will help you. 4 times 3 is 12, and then a times b we just write as ab. So the final answer is 12ab. We do not use the multiplication sign in algebra. So this is the answer to this. Second one, 3xy minus 2x plus 5xy minus 3. So group like terms together and then write in alphabetical order. What we've got to realise is that 3xy and 5yx are like terms. In maths, 3 times 4 is the same as 4 times 3, so therefore x times y is the same as y times x. So rewriting this one as 5x times y, and then we've got a minus 2x and then a minus 3. The only two that we can group together are these. So 3 plus 5 makes 8 lots of xy. Then we've got a minus 2x and a minus 3. So the final answer is 8xy minus 2x minus 3. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify terms by multiplying and grouping like terms together. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.